A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You didn't know, say, the people them were dead, and them and the Lord are one, and them well blessed. And right now, a rest. Them a rest. Think about it. And while you are thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is a very good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 14 from verse 6 to verse 13. After that, me see one another angel a fly in the sky. Him did have one message from God. We are going to last forever. We go tell the people them we live on the earth. The message I did for every country, tribe, people, and every language. The angel call out loud and say, "Uno better give God enough respect and praise, cause a film time now for judge all the people them when they upon the earth. Uno fi worship the one we make everything, the heaven and the earth, the sea and the spring them." Then me see one second angel in the sky, and me hear him call out, say, "Mash up Babylon, the powerful city, mash up. She make all of the country them in the world drink the wine. We make them do all kind of sex sin like her." Then angel number 3 come after the other 2 angel them and call out loud, "If nobody worship the wild animal and the sitting where they make feel look like him and take him mark pan them forehead or pan them right hand, gotta go begs bad and I go punish them wicked. I like say them a drink strong wine where God throw give them in a one cup and it no water down. God going punish them with sulfur. We are going to burn them up like fire in front of him holy angel them and the baby sheep. And the smoke from the sulfur we are burn them go up forever and ever. The people them will worship the wild animal and the sitting where they make feel look like him. And we taking mark on them body. I go suffer day and night forever and ever, and them now go get no ease up. So God people, we do him say, if we turn up strong and go and trust Jesus. Then me hear one voice from heaven say to me, say, "Write down this. From now on, the people them were dead, and them and the Lord are one, and them blessed." The Spirit say, yes, them hard work done now, and them are rest now. And all of the sitting them, where them they do, we talk for them. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.